Hello everyone, this is TrainFan75, and well, guess what? Because all the engines are green, it's Patrick's Day! Woo! Whippy! Anyway, so we got all of my green Trackmaster engines. We got 16 green engines for Green's Day, for Patrick's Day. Whoopee! Anyway, and also I have lots of the green rolling stock, but I'm too lazy to get them. Speaking of green, my Take and Play Diesel 10, I know it's not fully green, but I noticed that there's a little bit green there. I'm not really sure. I don't know. Leave me a comment and tell me. Soon. Oops. Anyway, let's take a look at the green engines. First off, we've got Luke. He's the narrow gauge green engine. Here we got Philip, the little diesel box cab. Scruff, the diesel who works at the dump. Dodge, the diesel shunter. Percy, the small engine. Custom Daisy, the diesel rail car. Duck, the Great Western engine. Henry, the green engine, which is the big green engine, I should say. A custom Alfred, but my stepdad forgot to put the face on, but I think I'll see if I can do the face on soon. So, yeah, you can tell it's from a James. We have Oliver, the Great Western engine. Shane, the Australian engine. Emily, the like darker green engine there. D261, the big, you could call them bowler, diesel 261, D261, class 40, whatever, is the big green diesel. Flying Scotsman, the one with the two tenders from the mainland. Gina for greens, which is, Gina is from Italy. And finally, we have Samson, the motherful engine, whatever. That's pretty much all my green engines for St. Patrick's Day. Whee! I don't keep doing that, but it's exciting. Hope you all enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. Tell me what other green engines I should get. Like, if you want me to get like, leave me a comment box below so it can help me remember. Anyway, thanks for watching and take care.